Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my green seasoning to marinate meats, poultry and seafood. So to get started, I have some flat leaf parsley here and I'll be using some fresh thyme. I have habanero peppers, chilies and scotch bonnet. I'll be using some scallions or green onions. I have garlic, basil, and this here is called Guyanese broadleaf thyme. I don't know if maybe other countries have a different name for it, but that's what it's called in Guyana. I have some onions, ginger, some lime juice, and salt. So basically what I did was went ahead and washed everything thoroughly and cut them up into smaller pieces. I then placed it into my food processor, added the salt and lime juice. Now salt and lime juice are natural preservatives. If you want to use lemon juice, you can do that as well. Then I begin to just blend to a nice fine consistency. Once it is done, this is how it should be looking. It smells absolutely amazing, guys. Now you can use any herbs and aromatics that you prefer. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. And this here is just a demonstration of how I usually marinate my meats. I added the dry seasoning first, went in with my green seasoning, and then I added a pop of color and just make sure everything was well combined. And that's basically it. And like I said, this can be used to marinate meats, poultry, or seafood. You can also use it for soups, stews, anything related to cooking. It's super versatile. And you want to save this in your refrigerator. It can last up to about a month in the fridge. If you want to go longer, you'll have to freeze it. But yeah, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I'll leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.